closer. I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer. I pulled away from it and moved to the city.
Hey guys, in today's video I'll be trying to curl my hair using the bathrobe's rope. I've seen these tutorials online and I mainly wanted to try it out because there are not a lot of sectioning involved and you only need 4 hair ties. Plus, if it doesn't work out, no one's going to see me. It's just Chape and my sister. And if it actually works out, my hair will be extremely happy. So let's try it out. So right before filming, I showered. Now my hair is completely air dried. So before I get started, what I'll do is I will braid this side of the hair so I can focus on this side. After that, I will fold the rope so that it's even, and I'm going to place the middle here. For the top part, I'm going to make sure that it's not too tight because I do not want to lose volume. Now take a section of the hair, same amount that you would have taken if you had curlier hair, and wrap it around the rope. Like this. This is the new section I took, combine it with the previous one and wrap it around. So now again, take the new section, which is this one, smush it with the previous one and wrap it around. This is the new section of the hair I took, smush it, combine it and wrap it around. This is the last section, again, combine it with the previous one and wrap it around. After the last section, I'll just wrap the hair around the rope until I run out. Once you're done, secure it with the hair tie. This hair tie is so loose. Once you're done with the hair tie, you just twist the hair really tight outward. You take another bigger hair tie.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
Good luck.
The sky was yellow. I still remember. Think I know.
This side I feel like it's really loose because my partition is on this side and there's too much hair here.
It's all around you now. You're coming back home. Now you're coming back. I think I know.
So both the buns are done. Hopefully it's not too uncomfortable to sleep because I do sleep on my side. Now I'm just going to wash my face, clean the hair mess around here, and I'll go to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning.
The next morning.
My voice sounds a bit different right now because of allergies. If this method works out, then it's one of the efficient way to do the curls. Initially I was having a hard time sleeping because my buns were very tight. I had to keep adjusting the angle, but once I was all sorted out, it was fine. Now I'm going to gently take out the curls.
See, Jane, why you staring out the window? Oh,
I'm going to loosen the curls now because it's all like clubbed together. And I'm just going to like shimmy it or like move around here on the top so it adds volume. I was thinking I have to retouch it with a curler, but it doesn't look like I have to retouch it. I'm just going to use some invisible oil because my hair is really dry. So this is the final product. This is such an easy and simple way to curl the hair. If you're planning to do this, please do let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video somewhat helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
backseat.